to my vlog, guys. So it's not a good day to have a vlog, guys. Kaya lang masyadong matraffic, guys, kaya napag-isipan ko mag-vlog. And as you can see, guys, nag-snow pa din, guys. And it's traffic here in Edmonton, guys, kasi madulas ang daan, nag-snow pa, guys. And of course yung mga nagsha-shopping, guys, kasi papalapit ng Christmas. Kaya lang medyo alalay, guys, sa ating pagdadrive kasi as what I said, the road's slippery. And of course pagka ganito ang panahon, guys, you just need to be at least 2 cars or 3 cars distance nasa harapan mo. Pati yung sa likod, guys, you also need to check it out, guys, kasi para hindi siya mabangga sa iyo, guys. So kaya dahan-dahan lang tayo nagdadrive. At pag ganito, guys, dahan-dahan lang ako nagbe-brake para hindi tayo mag-enkwentro dito sa traffic, dito sa intersection, guys. So ito ang ating typical weather ngayon, guys. It's 5:58 at it's -9, guys. So nakikita nyo naman ang ating snow. Yan ang ating snow. Kaya lang ang ating harapan, guys, I don't like to use the wiper a lot kasi pag nag-wiper ako, it cause more blurriness, tama bang word ko, dito sa aking windshield, guys. Okay, I'll see you later. So ngayon, guys, nandito tayo sa crossing. As you can see, mahaba-haba ang traffic natin. And of course, there are some people na nagko-commute sila. Wala silang choice, guys, kundi maglakad kasi mahirap din ang bus pagka winter time, and then they need to wait for a long time bago dumating yung bus nila kasi minsan nga nagdi-delay kasi madulas ang daan. So we're just heading to my wife's work at ito ang dinadaanan natin palagi. It's a nice road, guys, pero pagka winter time, guys, medyo ingat kasi winding yung road, guys. Kaya I'll update you pagdating natin sa opisina ni Mrs. na safe and sound. Okay, I'll see you there. At baka huliin tayo ng pulis. Bye-bye. Back to our recording. Mga 10 minutes or close to 15 minutes na tayo nagda-drive. Matraffic pa rin, guys. And as you can see, nag-snow pa rin tayo. Pero bukas pa rin ang mga businesses, guys, because usually they close around 8 or 9 and our time is 6:14 in the evening. And malapit na tayo sa opisina ni Mrs. Maybe it will just take me around 5 minutes or close to 10 kung umabate na itong kotse sa harapan ko, guys. So this is a typical day or typical winter driving here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, guys. So hanggang dito na tayo, guys, kasi bawal mag-cellphone habang nag-drive. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, guys, and hit the notification bell button of my vlog, guys. Pasensya na, bihira na tayo mag-vlog. Until next time, Poppy's Vlogs. Bye bye and peace out, guys. Bye bye.